Pro Tools' memory location system provides powerful tools for navigating and managing your sessions while editing and arranging. The most common type of memory location is a marker, which marks a specific point on the timeline. To create a marker at the current timeline position, click the plus button in a marker ruler. To show more marker rulers, click on the Ruler View menu and select from the available 5. These can be renamed by double-clicking. You can also add markers to specific tracks. Pressing the Enter key on your numeric keypad drops markers on whichever ruler is targeted. If a track's marker ruler controls are targeted, Command-Enter or Control-Enter on Windows will drop a marker on the track, while Enter will drop it on the previously selected marker ruler. To navigate to a marker, you can click directly on it, or click it in the Memory Locations window. You can edit by double-clicking and delete by Option or Alt-clicking. As well as timeline positions, memory locations can be used to store and recall edit selections and other edit window properties such as zoom levels and which tracks are shown or hidden. Keyboard shortcuts provide fast ways to navigate with memory locations. To recall a specific memory location, you can tap period on the number pad, followed by the memory location number, then another period. To jump to the next or previous location in the list, tap period, then use plus or minus on the numpad to step through locations. Pressing period again or any other key will exit marker navigation. You can also remap these commands to single keys. To return to the last selected memory location, simply double-tap period. Holding Shift while recalling memory locations will extend your current edit selection to that time. Double-clicking in a marker ruler selects the range between two adjacent markers. By default, the Follow Timeline Position option is enabled in the Memory Locations window. This keeps the markers in the list sorted in time order, which is best for navigating the timeline with the previous next marker shortcuts. It also adds edit selection indicators to the leftmost column. This shows which marker is located before the current edit selection. When the selection runs across markers, the in and out points are indicated in the list. Within the Memory Locations window, you can filter and search by any property, including number, name, track, color, and comments. Numerous other properties, categories, and states can be selected for view filtering using the multi-select menu here. Multiple filters can be used at the same time to pinpoint a particular set of memory locations. For example, you could create a job list of dialog problems you've previously marked by showing only markers on a set of selected tracks that include the word fix. Filter combinations can be saved as presets or quick presets for easy recall. Using the targeted track dynamic filter can be useful when navigating with the next previous shortcuts. By targeting a marker ruler, you can quickly filter the list to show a specific set of navigation points. This works best with the marker target follows first selected track option disabled in preferences. You can select multiple memory locations in the window for batch editing. By activating the Manage button, you can select memory locations without triggering a recall. Right-clicking brings up options to delete or batch rename the selected memory locations. Marker rulers can be moved between sessions using the Import Session Data workflow. A separate tab from the main tracks list lets you choose the marker rulers to be imported and their destination in the current session. You also have the option to convert the markers on a ruler to track markers on a new basic folder track. The Match Rulers button will automatically map incoming rulers to rulers with the same name. This will happen by default if the Auto Match Marker Rulers option is active in the session data settings. Using these options, you can bring in markers from another session without disrupting any of your existing markers. With track markers, multiple marker rulers, and flexible dynamic memory location filtering, Pro Tools helps you to manage complex audio projects and collaborative workflows.